Welcome to the School of Engineering and Technology at Soroti University. My name is Professor Percival Christopher Egao, and I'm the Dean of the School of Engineering and Technology. I would like to give you a brief of what's happening at the school. Our school is inspired by the motto, inspired for the future. And here we are looking at what are the challenges and the problems which the country is going to face in the future. And we want to prepare our graduates to be able to analyze problems, to anticipate problems, to use their skills to solve problems, and to provide sustainable solutions for future development. We have started with one program, and that is the Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Computer Engineering. This is a program which prepares graduates who are going to be working with modern machines. And modern machines are characterized by the fact that they have sophisticated software in them, and the hardware has to work with the software so that the right purpose for the machine is achieved. Now here we are emphasizing practical and professional skills. The practical skills are not just hand-on, but also skills which are intellectual skills, and these intellectual skills with the practical skills together with other soft or generic skills are combined together so that a student can be competent and at the same time practical by the time they graduate from these programs. And we have existed so far for about 3 years. We started off with our labs, which were just empty rooms, and we had to work out not just the programs of study, but also we had to establish laboratories and equip them and recruit staff. And so far we have done that in this particular program which we have started. And we are going to add some more programs as time goes on. But the most important emphasis here is that we should be providing solutions which are useful for the future. And so we look at future technologies and how we need to prepare our students to deal with these technologies in a confident way. We also prepare students to be able to ethically practice the profession of engineering. You may have heard familiar phrases like shoddy work, although shoddy work applies in all disciplines, but particularly in engineering it's very pronounced. And some of this shoddy work is not just incompetence, it also has ethical roots. And so we want to impart in our students ethical and professional principles so that they will be able to practice in our society in an acceptable and respectable way. We also, in our programs, expect students to work as teams, not as individuals, so that the ideas can be shared. Nobody has a monopoly of ideas, and we cannot also ignore even the slightest idea which may be useful in a particular situation. So we teach students to work in teams and to collaborate with one another to solve solutions together in our programs. We need to emphasize the fact that it is particularly expensive to set up engineering facilities, but as you can As you'll be able to see through this work, we have managed to set up quite a few practical situations which help our students to interact not just with one another but with reality. We also emphasize the fact that the students should be able to use modern engineering tools. So we have facilitated our laboratories with different tools which will be able to enhance students' understanding and students' endeavors in solving problems in society. We hope to progress to about 6 departments, including mechanical, mechatronics, energy, mechanical, civil and structural, informatics, and all these other disciplines. So we have quite a big task ahead of us.